Root cause analysis and performance improvement are so important to companies, and these days, with everything going on, everybody's so distracted, aren't they?
They are.
They're so distracted, and so you know what happens? More incidents can happen.
That's true.
Absolutely, and quality can get lower because people aren't paying as much attention. So what we've been doing lately is trying to work on some things while things have been a little slow, but we've been working on some things to help you all while all this is going on. And so, well, I'm Benny Hughes. Welcome to TapRooT TV, and Mark Paradise is here with me today.
And let me put that a different way even.
Okay.
We have not been sitting on our hands
No,
at
we
home.
have not.
We have been working hard, developing things to make your root cause analysis and your performance improvement program better.
Yes.
And so we're going to talk about
That's exactly 10 new ways
that
to be
that are
able
since
to-
the summit till
Yes.
now.
Yeah.
10 new ways to help you improve performance that we've completed since the summit. If you don't remember, summit was middle of March.
Yes.
The corona death virus came along right during the summit.
Boy, about the skin of our
and
teeth.
and we held the summit, but it was the last thing we
Yes.
did, the last public course we had until
2 weeks ago.
June.
Yeah.
We started having new public courses in June, and we're back on the, well, not exactly on track, but
Yep.
trying to get back on track. I'd say it's a phased
It is
reopening.
phased, but it's phased with some new innovations, which is fantastic.
Yep.
We
So
have worked really hard on these things.
That's what we're going to talk about today. What new things we've gotten done.
Yeah, so stick with us to the end. We're going to tell you about some things, and then we're also going to tell you how you find out more about these things that we're going to tell you about. So one of the first things we've done is a new on-demand webinar.
This is probably the newest of the things, but it actually,
Yes.
we started working on it before March, but Barb got it done.
Yes.
And she has a evidence collection self-paced course on demand on our website. So you don't have to, you can take it in the middle of the night, our middle of the night, if it's not your middle of the night, and you can do it whenever you want, and you can take it at the pace you want.
And it's so great. I mean,
it's
evidence
a
collection's the foundation of all this
it's
stuff.
a it's a great course, and Barb's put some really good work into it, and so that's the number one thing on our list.
Yes, that's number one. Number two is we have a new webinar to teach grading investigations and coaching your investigators.
We decided while we were on our forced vacation that we would develop some new things that we thought we could teach in a webinar format. Not everything can be taught in a webinar format, and it needs to be a topic that's the right length, because we don't want to bore you to tears, and we don't want to have this go on for like 5 or 6 hours, because you can't watch for 5 or 6 hours. But so we made it. We picked topics that we thought we could teach and do justice to in an hour and a half, and one of them is
The grading
investigations, which is a session we had at the summit, and we'll teach you all about grading your investigations and then coaching your employees to do better investigations by using this grading system.
Yeah, and it's also, if you have our software, it's a new part of the software
It's
as well.
it's a new feature in the software. You can either do it through an Excel spreadsheet or right in the software and keep track in the database of these investigations you've been grading.
Well, kind of speaking of software, we also have some more stuff about reporting, and we have a webinar about the reporting features.
Yep. One of the things I was impressed with at the summit was one of the guys talking about his success story. And his success story was he went to Dan's course, and one of the things he learned in it was how to set up custom fields and develop custom reports. And he said he took about 4 hours after the course and set up this set of custom reports, and he saved them in their database. And now anybody who writes a report can use one of these custom reports. And he says he saved everybody hours and hours of work with every investigation. And so he's thinking he's saved hundreds of hours of work for people by just doing this once and getting a really good custom set of reports that are specific to their company, just the way they want them.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you want
Software's
to do that, they can teach you how to do it
Yeah.
in an hour and a half webinar.
And if you don't have the software yet, at the end we'll tell you about how you can get a free trial to that, so stick with us.
Okay.
Another thing we're doing in a webinar is patient safety.
Exactly. Gosh, we started with this 94, 95 was our first summit session on patient safety. And we have been working on trying to get people to understand how good root cause analysis can help them. And what we found is that people still don't understand it. They still don't understand how root cause analysis can help them and why you need to use advanced root cause analysis to improve patient safety. So Marcus has developed a webinar, hour and a half, that basically introduces people to how do you improve patient safety by using TapRooT Advanced Root Cause Analysis. It doesn't teach you TapRooT in an hour and a half, but it teaches you how it fits in to programs to improve patient safety.
Yeah, and it's great. And it also, we do have the 2-day public course coming up as well.
Yeah, that's true. In August?
July?
August.
We'll put a link.
Okay.
We'll put a link.
I thought it was the first week in August. Could be the last week in July, though. It could be the last week in July.
We really have a lot going on in this next month or so.
Yes, we do.
We really do. And one of the things that we've had going on already in the last month is the new Causal Factor Worksheet webinar.
Yes. If you went to the summit, you could have seen this session live, but a lot of people weren't there at the summit. And this is something new that really helps people, I'd say, jumpstart their investigation by finding better causal factors or defining better causal factors, because we found that there's a systematic way to do that that's better than the old ways we used to teach. And so we've got these worksheets that really make identifying causal factors a systematic process. And TapRoot's all about making things systematic, making them repeatable, and this is what it does. And it helps people get a better start then on their root cause analysis, because with the right causal factor, it's easier to find the root causes.
And people have said this is a game changer. They love the new worksheets.
Yep.
So it's really helping their investigation.
And it took us probably, I don't remember if it was 6 months or a year to develop these, but it was a little bit of work.
They're extremely popular.
But we've got them, and there's one for safety, there's one for quality, there's one for patient safety, and there's one for equipment. Those are the 4 main ones.
And again, they're built into the software.
They're once again built into the software.
So whether you do paper version or the software, you can use those. You've also been working on the 5-day, changing the 5-day yet?
Yes, the 5-day has new. One of the things that's in it is the grading investigations. So that was one of the big changes. Is we decided that was so helpful to getting better investigations that we ought to put it in the 5-day course, because a lot of people go to the 5-day course, also review investigations, and this gives them a heads up, a way to do that that's better. So that's one of the things, and a lot of other smaller changes in there in the 5-day course. But that one's new, and the next 5-day course, which is in Dallas. Wait, is that right?
2 days.
Oh, Houston.
Yeah.
It's in Houston. The next 5 days in Houston will have the new sections of the course in it. So it's the new 5-day.
So we're always improving too.
Yep.
Yes, we are. This is great. People need to save a little money right now, and we found a way to, we have all these new books. We'll put a link to the video you and Alex did that talked about all of them, but you can get them at a discount.
Well, the new books are a big deal.
Yeah.
Because, let's see if I can remember this. First book came out in 91, then 94, then 96. Then we came out with our first hardback book in 2000. Then 2008 was the next revision. And we started writing these books in 2014. The first one came out in 2015. And it took us 5 years to get them all out. And the last 2 were the Stopping Human Error and the Equifactor book. So we've got all 10 books of the 10-book series. The last 2 came out at the summit, and we put them all together in a set after the summit. And we, as a set, you can save almost a third on them.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, they're $6.95, and it was over $1,000 if you bought them separately.
Yep.
So it's really a good deal for people. So I was talking to a guy just last week. And he said, oh yeah, I still use your manuals. He went to a course in 97.
Wow.
He's still got the 96 manual. He still takes that manual to investigation. He's still got the old tree, the old dictionary, no corrective action helper.
Oh my.
And he's like, oh, you got a new book out. Was that any different?
We need to send him to a course.
I think he's a little behind the times. So if you're behind the times a little bit, if you're still working with a TapRooT manual, if you still got the green book, or if you still got the big black book,
it's in a binder, or
if it's this thick or it's in a binder, then you need to upgrade to the newest set of books and just buy all 10. That's what you should do.
well, and they're so convenient. Just pull out. They're in some of them are not very big, so there's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Pull
They're
those
numbered
things
on the.
out, and they're just read whatever topic you're wanting. So
It's
really
like
convenient.
it's like a
library.
all-encompassing reference set.
Yeah.
Sort of like back in the old days when they used to have encyclopedias.
I love
It's like the encyclopedia of root cause analysis.
Perfect. You want to do that? Go to our web store and you can find those.
Yep.
A new one-day on-site Equifactor.
Well, a new Equifactor in general.
Yeah.
It's the 2-day Equifactor was revised to make it just for equipment people, and we split it in a day 1 and a day 2. If you go to the 2-day, you get both of them, but the day 1 is just about equipment troubleshooting. So we designed it so that you could just send, have an on-site, and you could send people who are just doing troubleshooting in the field and don't do root cause analysis to day 1, or you can send them to the whole thing, and then they get the troubleshooting plus the TapRooT techniques on day 2. And so it's a brand new Equifactor course with some new examples and a new book, and the troubleshooting tables are now in the back of the book you get with the course, and of course they're on the software still. So it's a very good way to put this so that if your guys from the field can't spend 2 days, well, they can just go to it. And of course our public courses we're holding now 2-day Equifactor public courses, and we've got one of those coming up in Knoxville in. No, I can't remember what this is. First week of. We got a whole bunch of courses coming up in Knoxville.
Yeah.
So it's either the last week in January, last week in July or first week in August. Maybe January, I don't know. But it's coming up soon.
See how the world's distracting our minds these days?
I'll tell you,
like I was saying earlier.
It's a tough life.
It's very tough. But we'll put links to all of this so you can find them easily.
Put the dates even in the comments
Yes.
down below.
Yes, we will. And then finally, we have the new TapRooT software updates. Boy, a lot of updates have happened this year.
Yep, software
Major
updates are
ones.
big, and there's lots of good stuff in there. And I think we've got a whole video on just on the updates. Do we do that yet or not? I think we did.
We do on the app. Got on the
We
app.
definitely have a blog posting about it, all the new features.
We do, and I definitely am putting a link to that. And
Okay.
we can also give people a webinar to show them what it can do. for
Yeah,
them.
if you want to see what's in the new software and you're thinking about implementing it, you call in and we'll set up a webinar to demo the software. It's a great thing to do.
It kind of leads me to a little bit of what we were talking about at the beginning, some of ways that you can do some of these things. If you don't have the software yet, but you have TapRooT trained people, we can set up that free 90-day trial hosted version so that they can try that. And they can.
That's not new, but they might not have heard about that before.
That's right. And you've heard all these great things that are in the software, and we'll have that link to all the new things that are going on with it, because it's been dramatic this year.
Yep.
All that's gone on. And we have webinars to help you learn how to use it. So we'll put links to that, and if you are interested in those trials, you just contact us and we'll be happy to help get you connected with that, because our IT department can set it up like that.
We've got one more thing.
Days.
We've got
What?
one more thing. And it's not new, but I want to mention it anyhow.
Okay.
September 15th is the second Stopping Human Error course. The
Oh,
first one was
yeah.
at the summit. The next one's coming up in Knoxville on September 15th, so it's not very far away. So you ought to be planning to go to it too, because it's a great course, and you'll learn a lot to help people really improve human performance, stop human errors, and improve performance in general. All types of performance, whether it's quality, safety, equipment reliability, human errors play into all those.
We have been so busy.
Yep.
We have been so busy putting all this stuff together since, basically a lot of it since March.
Well, and we revised the course since the
Yeah.
first one we did with new stuff we learned while teaching the course. So it's slightly different than the first one, but will be equally as good, I'm sure.
Yeah. Well, a lot of this stuff came about because people were asking us for some ways that they could keep learning during all the shutdown that's gone on, and so with problems come solutions, and some of these things have come about because of this. We're always listening to you, and we love your input. So always tell us things that you think would be fantastic to help you and your program, and it can help others as well.
There's one more thing.
There's another thing.
There's another thing. And there's more.
There's more.
We're going to have a Performing Major Investigations webinar.
Oh, that's right.
It's coming up.
That's brand new.
It's being developed as we speak.
It is.
Two of the guys who do lots, or have done and still do, lots of facilitations, lots of major investigations, are putting together an hour-and-a-half webinar on sort of tips on doing those major investigations. And are you ready to do major investigations? If something bad happened, would you be ready? And so that's coming up.
It's the 22nd.
Okay, I was going to say it's in the 20s someplace. Yeah.
July
So,
22nd.
okay, so that's not very far away either.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, I knew a date.
it's about a month away, but it's something to look forward to and get signed up for. I don't think it's on the website yet,
It
even.
probably isn't yet.
Yeah.
But just,
But it will be.
And we will keep them updated.
You know the secret now.
You're the first to know.
Yes.
We have some people around here I don't think that know yet.
Probably not.
So now you know. Well, how do you keep up with all this stuff? It's a lot of stuff, Mark.
Will you watch us, of course.
You watch us. You can go to the links. We want you to follow us on all the social media platforms because that's how you find out about a lot of this stuff. But definitely sign up for our newsletter on the blog. If you
The newsletter
have
and the blog, obviously.
That is the key to knowing everything that's going on as soon as it happens. Because that newsletter is so fantastic how it just
Boom, boom,
bullet
boom,
points
boom. There's the
everything.
topics.
Yeah. If
Read
just
what
keep
you
up with
want,
that-
don't read what you don't want.
Exactly. That's the perfect way. You just go to our website, taproot.com. And I think you scroll to the bottom page and sign up right there. Is there more?
I've got one thing to tell them about the newsletter.
Oh.
If you don't click on something every 7 weeks, you will be dropped to the non-engaged category.
Oh.
And that means you won't get every newsletter anymore. You'll only get about half of them.
Wow.
So you've got to click on something at least once every 7 weeks or you'll drop into the not engaged category. It's the way our new distribution software works.
That's pretty important.
Yeah. So click
7
on
weeks
something.
goes by
You can
fast.
click on a joke. You can click on a
People love the jokes.
the joke. So you can click on a serious article and read it. Whichever you like.
There's videos of us and stuff like that.
Who would want that?
Exactly. So there's all kinds of ways for you to keep up with all of this stuff because we know it's a lot. And you can just contact us, info@taproot.com. We're happy to talk to you. We're Monday through Friday, sometimes even the weekends. We're always doing something.
You never
aren't we?
know. You never know.
Well, Mark, thank you for all of this update, and thank you to the whole team for all the work they've done to put all this together because it's really taken a lot of time and effort, and we really hope it's something that will help you all with your program. And we want to thank you all for joining us, and we'll see you back here next week.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.